Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Instagram cannot archive post. If you're opening up Instagram, heading over to the three lines on a post and hitting archive, but Instagram is not archiving the post, here are a couple of fixes that you can try. The first thing that you can try is head over to Play Store and search for Instagram and check if Instagram is updated to the latest version or not. If it is not, then you must hit the update button to update it to the latest version. You can also try heading over to your quick access toolbar, tapping on your power icon, and then restarting your device to see if that helps. Sometimes you may have to switch your account type between personal account and business account on Instagram and try again. You can also head over to the quick access toolbar one more time, head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, and clear both storage and cache of Instagram to see if that helps. If all else fails, then you can also try using Instagram web and logging out of your Instagram account and logging back in to see if that helps. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.